First of all, I show you how to create directory like mkdir. I can use mkdir, like I just create a directory abc. Okay, we can also use mkdir my -p to create directory structure like I show you earlier, CRI, abc,
Yeah,
xyz, any. Okay,
yeah, yeah, right.
we can also put -v for verbose mode, what is happening inside you can see. Okay, x
What is the
y.
meaning of verbose?
Verbo means
Verbose.
everything is happening, it will show on the screen.
Oh, oh,
Okay,
yeah.
then I show you then I shown how to delete the directory. If directory is blank, you can choose the rmdir. If directory is not blank, you are not able to do. Like
Yeah, I feel.
I have created the abc directory, it's blank directory, so you can remove it. But you cannot remove the directory x because they are containing more directory. Like rmdir, you just go x. Okay, x. It's not empty, so it will not delete. So to delete the directory forcefully, either you use rm minus r. R is every time they will ask, if you have 4 directories, so 4 time it will ask, you want to delete, you want to delete, and you want to delete. Okay.
But if I put it F, then single time I can
Yeah,
delete
if you
all.
put f, then the single time. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
rf we can use for delete whole directory structure. So we can use /x. So we will. Okay. Then how to create file. So I have show you many way using cat. We can create the file using cat also. Then using the touch, by using touch you can create more files, but all are blank, like file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, and so on. Okay.
The difference between cat and touch, that touch is basically empty, no? Empty file.
Yeah, empty file.
Yeah. But cat just you have to write something, no?
Yeah, and
What about
by
to,
using cat
for
you can create one single file at a time.
yeah,
Hmm.
but by using touch, even I can create 3, 4, 5
Yeah.
uh, empty files, no?
Yeah.
But what about, for example, in I have one file in which
Uh-huh.
2 lines are written, no? Now I wanted to add 2 more. When I use touch,
Uh-huh.
they already deleted earlier one. They
Uh-huh.
overwritten.
Uh-huh.
Cat also overwritten.
Uh-huh.
So my question is, for example, I file 1, I have 2 lines. Now I wanted to add 2 more lines.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to delete 1 and 2. I
Uh-huh.
wanted to add 3 or 4.
So we have to use
So
editor.
I need to know. No, in that case, no.
Yeah, because cat
So I
cat
touch
you
on
can
cat.
use one time only.
Yeah, 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 you are right. I practiced.
Yeah. Okay. So we have already told you about the editors. There are many editors, like, so we can choose any
For,
edit.
for gedit,
Mm-hmm.
uh, mm, as like separate window, and then you save it. No, can you
Yeah, yeah,
can you do one
it's graphic. Yeah,
yeah, graphic.
X
One
window.
example.
You can directly go it and do whatever
Yeah,
you want, like a notepad.
yeah, yeah. Then save it.
Yes, save it. Okay. Next.
Save it.
Save, already saved.
Already saved by default. No.
No, no, I have just click on save, so now it's saved.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can open it.
Now can you open that through window?
Window, you are saying about using command line?
Yeah, it could be basically using command line.
Yeah, okay. So I just on the command line. So this file on the desktop, so you can open it by using editor like file 1. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, you open VI, when What about gedit? We have written in gedit, no? I think.
So gedit is the graphical version, no?
Oh, that's also only difference, no?
Yeah,
Same like.
you can open it again. Thing happen. It will open the graphic console for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You by using mouse you can directly save and delete and cut.
Okay. Okay. Now it's clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next, we have also taken the example of CP and MV or not.
Yeah. MV,
MV
not
not.
sure.
Okay. Copy we have done, but not with MV. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. MV. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So MV for
Move
move,
or
or you can say rename.
renames.
Okay. So either you can rename the file or either you can
Move. Yeah.
move a file. If file exists, then it move. If not exist, it rename.
Yeah.
Okay. We have discussed the help command.
No, I
Three
don't think so.
three help command I told you, like what is,
Yeah. Yeah. I think yeah. This one. Yeah.
yeah,
Who
what
I
is man info, and one more is p info.
be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I have told you about the SU switch user.
Yeah.
So they have already given the example of SU. So you can use SU or you can use SU hyphen. So what is the
Yeah.
difference?
Different. SU and SU hyphen.
Yeah, difference is that if you choose SU hyphen, you will take the full privilege of that user. If you will
Okay.
not use hyphen, you will get the privilege of current user.
Uh,
Okay.
with example, just to.
Yeah. So first of all, check any username if there any user exists, like Z user. So currently I'm working with root. So I just want
Yeah.
to switch using SU. Now you are in Z user, but if you want to check the home directory, it's showing the home directory of root user, not the current user.
Yeah.
So it means it using the privilege of root user, not the Z user, or you can say the Z user.
Oh.
Once if you put SU hyphen, then you can check, it will show, sorry, I have not given the name of user, just wait. SU hyphen the username. Now you can check, it will showing the home directory of current user. So it means
Oh.
now it's having the full privilege of current user.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a difference between SU and SU hyphen.
Okay. Good. Good.
Okay, we also check the find command.
Fine. No, I don't think fine.
How to find
Fine.
anything in your Linux machine?
No, no.
No.
Fine and no.
Okay, next we have to use the find command. So if we use in Windows, so if we want to find something, you just go to the computer and go to the search bar and just give the name, right?
Yeah.
But in Linux, not like that, because we are not choosing the graphic in the Linux. So how to do it using the command line? The syntax is like that. First is find. Second, where you want to find. In the current home directory, if you use find like that, find. First,
Find a space and then dot. No.
yeah, dot means current directory. So I just give you the, so dot current directory. So what it mean? You are finding something in current directory. If you choose root, so you are finding in file
Root.
system. Otherwise, you can give the directory name directly if you want to search anything in etc only. So you have to put only etc. Okay.
For example, in desktop, no, and then I have created cricket, India, Delhi. And then I
Yes.
have to find in Delhi.
Yeah.
Then I have to in full path.
No, 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 no. If I know the full path, so why we are finding? Because we don't know the
Yeah,
path. I want to
yeah,
find
yeah,
something which I don't know. Where is exist?
yeah,
That's why I
yeah.
use the find.
So in that case, find a space and then
Yeah. So I'm showing you one by one. So first of all, the find command. Then the next one, where you have to find.
yeah,
Okay. If you choose dot, it means current directory. If you choose root, it means you are searching for whole file system. Otherwise, you can give the particular directory name like slash home, slash root, any directory name. Like if I want to find everything in the current directory is home directory of root.
yeah.
So if I put enter, so it will find everything because I have not mentioned the name, I have not mentioned the file, I have not mentioned the directory. So it will find everything.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
So first thing find, then dot belong to the current directory. If I say root and press enter, so it will take long time because it will find out all directory and file in all directory structure.
Okay.
Okay. Now find then the current directory like I just create one directory here like Cisco I have created there. Then find dot and I'm asking for the name of Cisco. Okay. So find dot name Cisco, right? So syntax will be find
Yeah.
where we are finding on the current location. The name is
Good.
Cisco.
Yeah.
Now it will search or not? Yeah, it will searching. So it will define, give me the path slash Cisco. Fine.